One of my rarest tapes, and I've got several. Quadraphonic, Pink Floyd, Wish You Were Here. Now this is from a 15 quad IPS tape, master tape, 2nd gen. And it's okay to listen to the stereo version, which I have on reel-to-reel tape, again from a master tape, but in quad it's completely different. It's a whole new realm of sound. It's and of course the engineers, they played with this, not on this tape, because this is Wish You Were Here, but on Animals, which I have in Quadraphonic. A dog has his own microphone. You can hear him woof 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 coming out of one speaker, and the others have got music obviously there, but it's totally different. So just acquired this 2340, very good tape deck, and deoxed it, lubed it, and I think I'll replace the belt. It's good, but for $12, you know, and I don't have the screws for this. They were missing. See that little piece here? And they are the dinkiest little screws, which I don't think I've got them. But anyway, apart from that, rewind, fast forward, obviously play works, you've just seen it, so. More deoxit for these is needed. There it goes. Front amplifier. Amplifier, front speakers, rear speaker, rear speaker. Did you notice that last piece there? About the last 8 bars? Different to the stereo version. Qualified Pink Floyd aficionados will know that. Me, I don't know fuck all. Tape static on that channel.